space required for this new facility. So we
Okay,
have kept this.
let me share my screen, which I have the latest plot plan. That also it shows the skid. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes.
See, this is what your skid, right? H2S analyzer skid,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Moshe.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So this distance is how much now between the walls to this analyzer skid? And
Uh,
is it acceptable to keep from the pig receiver? What is the safety distance you require to minimum from the skid to the pig receiver? Anyway,
that
this will be
actually,
the.
yeah.
I think we'll
The
take a one recommendation, Rakesh. If there is a question of doubt, so let us take one recommendation: review the safe distance between the pig launcher as well as the skid, as per the company standard.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
And
we'll
see, we considered only the gas detectors because this line is having zero H2S. Okay, and there is no detection coverage for this kid, and this is a H2S high H2S line. So better you consider toxic gas detection for this area also. Okay,
yes,
and check the adequacy of that JBs in the current area. So it should be okay, but you consider minimum two numbers toxic because it is almost a 5 meter wide skid, and it is one analyzer. You consider one detector like dew point and H2S, so it will give the voting logic as well,
yeah,
and
yeah,
it will be
sure.
going to the permanent. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I think we'll take
Rakesh,
recommendation.
just one question
Yeah.
here, Rakesh.
Yeah.
The one which you're showing here, it's a mobile one. Am I right? Mobile receiver.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a mobile one.
So it's not
Yes.
a permanent facility.
Yeah, yeah, it's not a. See, this is
So
only for the P5. This is for a permanent temporary facility until the P5 is commissioned. So after this will be, isolated. So this is just a diversion project we are doing. So it is not a permanent pig
maybe for
receiver.
2 years, I think.
Yeah, yeah, 2 years.
Yeah,
Yes,
2 years,
correct.
I think they're going
Okay.
to use. So see, first
Okay.
of all,
So
here you have got this as a mobile receiver, correct? Maybe once in a 6 month or 1 year it will be used. Am I right?
Yeah, it may be used and might not be used, but
Might not be used.
be
Okay.
used.
And
Yes.
regarding the safety distance, what you are telling now. So as such, we don't have any safety distances for this analyzer and other thing actually. Okay.
No, no,
Okay.
I'm
So
talking not only in terms of the safety distance, just check
yes,
the, valve
clearance
accessibility
from
and
this
clash
this
clearance.
facility.
Yeah,
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now, but do we have
Especially,
the here distance here? Actually, I cannot find the distance here from the 3912. This is the existing. Santosh, can you see your drawing? Can you show your drawing? 3912. Sorry, from this 3912, how much we keep?